In the automotive world, misinformation and myths spread like urban legends. These false ideas and misconceptions, passed down from generation to generation, are often taken as absolute truths by many drivers. However, these myths can not only mislead but also compromise the safety of motorists. In this article, we will debunk some of the most popular car myths that only make drivers less informed and more vulnerable. If you've ever believed any of these ideas, don't worry, you are not alone. One of the most persistent myths in the automotive world is the belief that engine oil must be changed every 3,000 kilometers. In reality, this is no longer necessary for the majority of modern vehicles. The frequency of oil changes depends on several factors, including the type of engine, the type of oil used, and the manufacturer's recommendations. Nowadays, many vehicles can go well beyond the 3,000 kilometers, with some models requiring changes every 10,000 kilometers or more. To determine when to change the oil, it is essential to consult the owner's manual and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Ignoring this information could not only be costly but also counterproductive to your engine's performance. Another widely spread myth is the one claiming that driving with an almost empty fuel tank can damage the engine. While this can lead to long-term issues if it becomes a habit, it is unlikely to cause immediate damage. Most modern cars are designed to run reliably even when the tank is nearing empty. However, it is important to note that regularly driving with a low fuel level can cause debris to accumulate at the bottom of the tank, which could clog the fuel filter and damage the fuel pump. To avoid this, it is advisable not to let the fuel level drop too low, but it's not as catastrophic as many people think. Many people also believe that more expensive cars are necessarily safer, but this idea is far from always true. The price of a car does not determine its safety, rather, it's the technology it comes with. An affordable car can be equipped with advanced safety technologies such as automatic emergency braking, rear-view cameras, and collision alerts, just like a luxury car. Many manufacturers, even budget brands, now focus on safety with models that score high in crash tests. On the other hand, some luxury cars may neglect essential safety aspects or be equipped with expensive technologies that are not always effective in everyday driving situations. It is, therefore, more important to consult safety test results, like those from Euro NCAP, than to simply rely on the price. Another misconception is that the color of the car significantly impacts car insurance costs. In reality, this is not true. The idea that red cars, for example, cost more to insure because they are more likely to be fined or involved in accidents is entirely unfounded. What influences the cost of insurance are factors such as the vehicle model, its age, its market value, and the safety features it offers. Personal factors such as driving history, residence location, and even the driver's age are much more relevant in determining the insurance premium. There is also a belief that you should always let the engine run for a few minutes to warm up before driving. This myth, once justified by older engine technology, is now outdated. Modern cars are designed to start and run immediately without risk of damage, even in cold weather. In reality, idling the engine wastes fuel and produces harmful emissions. The engine is designed to warm up quickly while driving, and it's better to start and drive gently to avoid fuel wastage. Many drivers also believe that using premium unleaded fuel with a higher octane rating improves engine performance, but this is not necessarily true for all vehicles. Cars designed to run on regular fuel do not need premium fuel, and there is no performance gain. Modern engines are designed to optimize efficiency with the type of fuel recommended by the manufacturer. Using premium fuel in a car that doesn't require it will only increase your costs without providing any performance benefits. Diesel has long been considered a more economical option due to its lower fuel consumption compared to gasoline engines. However, with advancements in technology, this is no longer so clear-cut. Diesel cars, while efficient for long trips, are often more expensive to purchase and require higher maintenance costs. Moreover, with rising diesel taxes and environmental concerns, gasoline cars are now a more affordable long-term alternative for many drivers, especially those who drive short distances regularly. If you mostly drive in the city, a gasoline car may be a more economical choice. There is a popular belief that modern cars, being more sophisticated and robust, don't need regular maintenance. While modern cars are indeed more reliable than before, they still require regular checks to ensure proper functioning. Components such as brake pads, suspension, tires, and fluid levels must be regularly inspected to avoid costly breakdowns. Neglecting these aspects could lead to serious problems and compromise the vehicle's safety. Car myths can be costly and dangerous for your safety. It is essential to educate yourself and understand how your vehicle works by following expert and manufacturer recommendations. Don't hesitate to consult your owner's manual and seek reliable information online or from professionals to avoid falling into these traps. By staying well informed, you'll be able to better maintain your car, maximize its longevity, and ensure your safety on the road.